Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for today's makeup look I figured I would go ahead and create a remake of a picture I saw of this wearable makeup look for the winter months to come. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below, and give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to know how I got this eye makeup look, then keep watching.
Pull the key out the ignition. Run your mouth but I never listen. You hold me back, will never last. Keep talking all your shit.
Hey guys, so this is the look we're going to be going for today. And I'm just going to be priming my eyes with my concealer. I am now going to be using the Palladio Pro Shadow Palette, and I'm just going to be grabbing the two middle shades that are the lightest browns in the palette, and I'm just going to be following the hollows of my eyes, and I'm just buffing that into the hollows. I also find it really easier if you're like looking down into a mirror, so you can kind of spot and feel the hollows of your eyes, and it's a lot more easier to place the shadow when you have that mirror right in front of you. Here I just cut crease my eye as normal, and I am placing a cream shadow all over the lid. Now I picked up my angled brush and I dipped it into a black shadow, and I am gently creating a wing, and I'm taking my time with this because also this gets kind of messy, but you also just want to make sure everything is even and is blended nicely. I'm also picking up a brown shade as well, and I'm blending that into the black shadow just so it gives it more of a smoky look. Now I picked up a Stila metallic glitter. These are like totally old school. I think the little wand sticks are similar, but I'm just placing that all over my eyelid. I don't usually do this, but I am now going in with my mascara, and I'm just putting a little bit on before I apply my false lashes. Oh my god, look how good that freaking wing looks. Like, I'm so proud. I'm going in with my Honeydew NYX face primer, and I'm putting that all over my face. This is a really good drugstore alternative for the Milk Hydro Grip. I really like using this. It definitely takes my foundation to the next level, and it keeps it on my face all day long. Next, I am going in with my Pixie Correction Brightening Cream. And for my favorite drugstore foundation, it is the LA Girl Pro Coverage, and I am placing that all over my face. I feel like a lot of people also sleep on LA Girl, so if you're ever in Ulta or shopping online, definitely give them a try. I really do like them. Now I'm just going in with my concealer and highlighting the parts of my face that need to be highlighted, and I am using another LA Girl product that I love so much, and it is the Pro Concealer in the color, I believe, Chestnut, and I'm just marking that all over my face where I want to contour. Now I'm taking my ABH bronzer and I'm just going over the contour so it sticks a little bit better, and I am making my face all glowy and bronzed. Now time for brows. I am combing them out before I fill them, and I am using the Maybelline brow pencil in Total Temptation, I believe, and I'm just filling in my brows. I love this brow pencil. Not only is it like $6, but it just does a good job filling in your brows for a drugstore product. So if you ever get a chance to try them, definitely go ahead and try them out. I am obsessed. And then I like to take the front of my brow and just flick the little hairs up so it looks like I have some noticeable hairs in the front, and I just fill them in. It's super easy. Surprise, another LA Girl product. I love this because the baby pink in here is amazing. So I'm just going in with that blush trio palette, and I am putting that all over my cheeks. Surprise, another LA Girl product. I just love them so much, and I'm spraying that setting spray all over my face. So going in with this handy dandy NYX liner. I believe this is a natural, and this is similar to my natural lip color, and I'm just lining my lips all over. Also, my lips are so dry, so if you see them like a little pinker in some areas, it's because they're peeling and they hurt, they're cracking. I've been trying to take care of them, but please, no judgment over here because we all get cracked dry lips during the winter, so thank you so much. In with some brow gel from Glossier, and I am just brushing those hairs. Next, I am going in with this lip topper, and I am placing that all over my lips. It's really pretty. It's super metallic-y, and I think it's just perfect for this eye look. So that is it for this makeup look today, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. It is so affordable, and you can do this with any drugstore high-end products you have. You just really need those neutral brown shades and definitely a couple of glitters you have hanging around, and you can pretty much do this entire look on a budget. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, leave a comment down below, and give this video a thumbs up. And that is it for this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.